Full face makeup brush set with storage tray. Get a glossed, natural look with this collection of 7 essential makeup brushes with their own organizing storage tray. Makes a great travel brush kit, starter set, or addition to your established makeup shelf. Ecotools makeup brushes and beauty tools. Ecotools makeup brushes are soft, yet firm, allowing the bristles to pick up and distribute makeup evenly. Shade, blend, shape, and finish. Use brushes dry or wet to create a look that is beautifully, totally you. Put your best face forward. Ecotools offers a full variety of high-quality makeup brushes used by beginners and professionals alike. Blush, brow, blender, highlighter, lip, or concealer, we've got every beauty tool you need to put your best face forward. Look beautiful, live beautifully. Ecotools are made using recycled materials, renewable bamboo better manufacturing processes. From bouquet brush to blender sponge, we offer eco-friendly, high-quality, affordable tools that make you look feel beautiful. Ecotools quality. Compare our high-quality, eco-friendly beauty tools to those from companies like e.l.f., Spicy, Shani, Artis, Bees Mall, Crown, Cinema Secrets, Kylie Jenner, Sephora, Japanesque, Sonia Kashuk, MAC, Sigma, Anastasia, Anju. Top reviews from the United States. Very nice set. Doesn't irritate my skin and works great with my makeup. I've been a long-time user of Ecotools makeup brushes. I bought my first set years ago and loved them right away. The bristles were soft yet still firm enough to hold and apply makeup well. And the big thing for me was they didn't irritate my skin. Some brushes cause my skin to turn red and become itchy. But Ecotools brushes didn't have that effect on my skin.